Welcome to Kettering Science Academy. My name is Kirsty Farrer and I'm one of the law teachers here. If you choose to study law with us here, eventually after the 2 years you will be sitting 3 exam papers. The 3 exam papers are broken up into 2 sections. There is Part A and Part B. On the first paper in Part A, there is legal systems. Legal systems deals with all the different people that participate in the legal system. We look at judges, juries, barristers, solicitors, just to name but a few, and different processes involved. It's a really nice introductory unit that students tend to enjoy. The favourite unit though is the criminal one, which is Part B for this paper. Students really love studying criminal law. During your study you will study a range of different crimes, starting from assault and battery, going all the way up to the most serious crime is murder. Students really love looking at all the different cases, discussing them, discussing the points of law, which is what you'll do. So if you've got an opinion and are strong-minded and have a say, this is definitely the course for you. Paper 2 is law making. Now law making is about how we make law. It's really simple. So we follow the process of law being made and all the different processes and procedures that go in to make that happen. The second part of the paper is torts. So this is basically, in its simplistic form, when there's an agreement between 2 people but there's no contract. So we will look at all the different areas for that, what we do in those situations and what previous case law has said about it, what the law says about it, and then we get to make some decisions on what happens. Paper 3 is the nature of law. Now, nature of law is a very different unit to the other units that we study. There's quite a lot of philosophy involved. We look at a range of different things and we look at the process of lawmaking, okay? We look at morality, justice, law and technology, how the law is moving forward. There's lots of different things that will be going into that. The last unit is contract, so that's on paper 3. Now contract is obviously what it says, dealing with the case law that involves contracts that have been drawn up between 2 people and when there are disputes, and how does the law settle these disputes. That's all the things that we will be finding out for this. Now law is a little bit different to some other courses because most people have never studied it at GCSE, and that's absolutely okay. There's lots of different A-levels that are like that. We are one of them, so you'll be introduced to lots of new language, and different ways of writing, which will all be absolutely supported in this course. We know you will never have studied this. And that's why with law, it's really important that you think about your options that you choose alongside it. If you choose to study law, there's lots of essay writing. So it fits alongside subjects like English literature, language, anything that's written, history. They're the sort of subjects that go really well with law because there's lots of reading and essay writing. So if that's something that in GCSE you chose and you did really well, and this course will really suit your skill set, even if you've never studied law before. To study law, you will need a grade 6 in English. This is really important so that we know that you have the right writing level to be able to complete this course, because as I've mentioned previously, there is a lot of writing. So you must be asking, why choose law? If you've never done it, why should you choose law? Well, obviously I'm a little bit biased because law is the most amazing subject. I love sitting with my students, discussing case law, discussing outcomes of a case, debating them. If you like debating, if you like talking, if you like questioning why things are done the way they are, or the outcome of something, and you have an inquisitive brain, this is absolutely the course for you. It will set you up for essay writing for when you go to university, or if you go for an apprenticeship, or whatever your next steps are. This will help you in so many ways. Work-life balance, getting your management of time, managing workload, because there's lots of work with law studying. So please, if you've ever thought about this course or if you're not quite sure, we follow OCR. There's lots of information on the internet about it that you can read about it. Obviously, we're happy to answer any questions, but I really, really hope you pick this course, and I'm happy to answer any questions. If you want to ask me or email into the school, I'm happy to answer any questions about that. I really look forward to you studying at Kettering Science Academy with us. Thank you.